There's Michael trying to aboard the tram. Let's see how he goes. He's going to try and aboard the tram and he cannot get on. There's no way. The scooter's very heavy, he cannot lift. Now what? He's going to have to now get a taxi or something else, eh? And saying he'd like to be able to get on. Well, they'll have to do something about this. Okay, he has to back up now. The traffic to see where he is. Very disappointing for him. He wants to go into town to see something. He's coming back this way. We're just near the Epworth Hospital. See, now this is the situation at Epworth Hospital here.